Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial I am going to show you how to connect your Canva website to your Hostinger domain. So including what to do if you need to buy a plan first. So the first thing you need to do here is to open your Canva website design. And then at the top right guys, you just need to click share. And then select website and then choose use my existing domain. And then click continue. So as you can see here, you'll be able to see it on this part. So here you can see here the download or the website button. And then here guys, the Canva will now show you the DNS records you need. So it's a record and a CNAME record. So keep this page open because you will need these values later. Then next, go to your hostinger.com and log into your account. So if you don't have hosting yet, you will need to buy a plan to manage your domain's DNS. You just need to click web hosting and then choose your plan. And of course guys, you just need to complete the checkout. Because once your plan is active guys, you can go to domains and then manage and then DNS or name servers. And then you just need to scroll down to the DNS record section. So click add record guys and then a record and CNAME record exactly as shown in Canva. So you can click save changes when you're done. So now go back to Canva and click verify connection. It can take a few minutes to few hours for the connection to go live. And that's it guys, your Canva website is now connected to your Hostinger domain.